Hi friends, welcome to English grammar classes. Today we are going to discuss about should be, should have been, should have to, should have had, should have to have. Before we start the class, those who haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe it and enable the bell icon that whenever we do the video, you would get it as soon as possible. And please like, share and subscribe our channel. So let's start the class. Today we are just going to start with the use of should. So you should do your work, you should respect the rules, you should obey your parents, you should complete the work on time. From these sentences you come to know that should is used mainly for two purposes. One is to give advice, another to state something that is compulsory or something that is needed to be done. So something that is need to be, you need to do something, that is said with the help of should. You should do your homework. You need to do your homework. Then you should respect the rules. It is necessary for you to respect the rules. You should obey your parents. It is expected from you that you should do or you have to obey your parents. Then you should complete the work on time. It is expected by the company or expected by the speaker that you are supposed to complete the work on time. So all this says about the expectation or even necessary or compulsion, etc. So this is the first use of should. When should be is used, we can see, first of all, it says about the state of being or a condition. Mohit should be at home right now. So where he is expected to be, that is stated over here with the help of should be. Tanya should be here with you, shouldn't be here with you. It is something that is not expected, that is expressed. You shouldn't be arrogant. It is not expected that you should be arrogant. So that expectation or something that is not expected, that is said with the help of should be. Rohit should be in school. Ron should be in England. All these are said about something that is expected or not expected. Next one, should be as a passive form, as the passive form of should. Robin should be punished for his guilt immediately. Who is about to punish? That is not mentioned. That means if the speaker as well as the listener both are known about whom they speak about, then it is not compulsory to use the subject with the help of by. So that's why it is not used over here. It is avoided. So you can see Robin should be punished for his guilt. Somebody or the authority should punish Robin for his guilt immediately. This is the sentence that is said in passive form. Ram should be told about it. So you should tell Ram about it. This is the sentence that we have said in other form as Ram should be told about it in passive form. The employees should be given good salary for this work. So you should provide, or the authorities or the management should provide or should give good salary for this work to the employees. This is the sentence. Then small kids shouldn't be given mobiles. You should not give small kids mobile. This is the sentence that is made in passive form. You shouldn't be sent here. She shouldn't be sent there. So she was not expected to be sent there. So the thing is that something that is expected or not expected, that can be either in passive or in active form, we can say with the help of should. So here we studied about the passive form of should be. Then next one, should have. That says about that expected possession, but something that was not there. It was expected to have something, but it was not there. Raj should have money. So he was expected to have money, but he did not have. You should have at least 2 pens when you come for the test. So it was expected from you to bring 2 pens, but you did not bring it. Then we all should have equal opportunities to get a good job. It is expected that all of us should get good jobs, but at the same time it is or it was not possible to give all good jobs. Then you should have a solution for this problem. So that here also we can see that something that was expected to have, that is not there, or that was not there. That is said with the help of should have. Next one, Rohit should have prepared well for his examination. Here should have is added with verbs, the past participle form of verb, that is V3 form. Here that is something that was expected to be done, but it was not done. So here that is equal to that if condition, the third condition, that improbable, that irrevocable condition, something that was expected, but it is not going to change now. So it could be done, but it was not done. So these types of sentences are said with the help of should have. Then next one, he should have met me that day. It was expected for him to meet me that day, but he did not meet me. Then he shouldn't have told her about what's going on there. Actually, what was going on over there, that should not have been told. So, but at the same time, it was already done, and it is not going to change. Then they should have asked me earlier. So it was their duty, it was their necessity. If they wanted, they had to ask, but they did not ask at all. Then next one, should have been. When we take the case of should have been, here we can see he should have been here with us when we needed him. So it was expected that he should be, or he should have been with us, someone's presence or someone's what we can say, that state of being that was expected, but it was not with us, or it was not given, or the person was not present. In that sense, we use should have been in this case. He should have been here with us when we needed him. He was to be here, but he did not come, or he was not here. Being a doctor, he should have been in hospital that day. Something had happened, and it's not going to be changed. But what happened? Being a doctor, that particular person was supposed to be in hospital, but he was not there. Then Santosh should have been in the office at 7 o'clock. So when the manager came, by the time he could not meet Santosh. So it was told him to be in the office by 7, but he did not come. So his physical appearance, someone's physical appearance or being, that was expected, but it was not given. That is said over there. Being a responsible person, you should have been here. So next one, should have been is added with the past participle form. Then he should have been given the punishment then. That is actually considered to be the passive form of should have. Then should have, when it is changed into passive form, we add been along with that, and this is the second form. Then she should have been given the punishment then. That means the authorities should have given her the punishment then. So, but that sentence has been changed into passive form like this. She should have been given the punishment then. The award should have been distributed before it was asked. Before the awardee asked about the award, the authorities should have given should have given the awards. So that's what is said over there. It was to be given. The award should have been given, or award should have been distributed before it was asked. The field should have been watered before it had gone dry. The farmer had to, the farmer should have watered the field before it had gone dry. That sentence is changed. The field should have been watered before it had gone dry. Next one, the form of should have had. So that also says about or an expected past possession. So something that was expected to be with a particular person or a being, but at the same time he or she did not have it. He should have had a car to go there on time. So it was expected for him, or it was expected from the side of that particular person to have a car to go there on time, but he did not have. So that says about an expected past possession. I should have had enough money that I could have help you then. If I had money then, I could have helped you, but I could not help you because I did not have money. Something that was expected from me, but at the same time which I did not have. Then again, you should have had enough money to buy such a luxurious car. So if you had money, you could buy such a luxurious car, but you did not have money, or we did not have money, that's why we couldn't buy. You should have had achieved the target before they remove you. So these all form, you can see, should have is used to say about something that was about the expected possession. She should have to go there. Next one is should have to. It is expected for a person to go there. That is said over there in a positive sense. She should have to go there. So it is necessary for her to go there. Then they should have to talk to each other. So here it is compulsory, or it is somewhat expected or necessity to talk each other. We should have to do something about it. It is necessary for us to work a plan, or to start, or to just plunge into an action, to start an action. Then you should have to teach your son, or else he might fail the exam. So it is necessary, something is to be done with your son, otherwise he may fail, or it is expected that he would fail. Because from the present condition we say all these things. Next one, should have had to. She should have had to teach him, otherwise then he wouldn't have failed. Something that was very much expected to be done, but it was not done, and that's why something else happened, and now both of these actions cannot be revoked. Then, so he failed. It was expected that she would teach him, but she did not teach him well, and he failed also. So both of these actions are over. Now they are irrevocable, cannot be taken back. Then they should have had to discuss their matter with their boss. So they were in trouble. Actually, it was their necessity to discuss the matter with their boss, but they did not discuss. Now, and later on they were in trouble also. So both of these actions are over. Now it cannot be reverted, it cannot be taken back. You should have had to buy a laptop that you could have done the work perfectly. So it was expected that you had to have a laptop, but you did not have, and it was also expected that you would do the work perfectly. So both of these actions were done, and it cannot be taken back. Next one, should have to have. Should have to have. So that double have is used over there. Then, if you want to join a call center, you should have to have good communication skill in English. Here we can see that it is the combination of have to plus have. Have says about the possession, then have to says about the necessity. So something that is necessary to be possessed, that is said with the help of should have to have. Then that something what you are expected to have, or what you should have to join in a call center. So a good communication skill should be there with you. So it is not there. So it is expected that you should possess some quality, and it is very much required. Rahim, you should have to have the Cambridge Grammar Dictionary if you want to learn English grammar in detail. So if you want to learn English grammar, you should possess something. It is necessary, that is, you should have a Cambridge English Grammar Dictionary. Then you should have to have minimum 20 lakh to buy 20 cent plot in our locality. So minimum requirement is 20 lakh to buy 20 cent plot. So that should be possessed, and that is needed also. So need as well as possession, both of them are merged together here. Now let's see the use of these various forms are given over here. Should, need to do, then should be state of being, that is or that was expected to be, or that is expected to be. Then the passive form of should also can be seen that as one use of should be. Needed to be done, something that was necessary to be done. Should have says about a past possession. Then and moreover an expected past action. Then should have been, that needed to be, something that was necessary to be. So being a state. Then again passive form, needed to be done. It was necessary to be completed. So but it was not completed as it was expected. That situation is said. Next one, should have had expected possession, something that was necessary or something that was expected from a person to possess. Then next one, should have to, need or compulsory to be done. So something that is compulsory to do is expected, that said with the help of should have to. Then should have had to, that something it was expected from a person to be done, something it was necessary to be done. Their necessity is said over there. Then should have to have, necessity, possession. So two things are merged together. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe our channel. Please enable the bell icon also. Wish you an awesome day. Thank you. Thank you for watching.